Well, hello guys. I want to show you guys a little something that I like to do when I go down to these gold rivers. This is a rootball that was washed up, and if you can find some of these things that were in a gold line, you could get really lucky. You can get nuggets, you can get all kinds of stuff out of them. As you can see how much stuff came out of this already. So all I'm going to do, if you look at it, I know that a lot is gone because it washed around, but there is still so much in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tear this thing apart, and it comes apart pretty easy when they're dead like this. They don't come apart near as easy if you get a brand new one that was just washed up that year. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this emptied out. I'll get this thing chopped up here, and then we'll see what kind of gold we get out of it. Stay tuned. Okay, well, show you guys. Here's my little technique, this little strainer. You get them cheap anywhere. It's so nice because it just takes out all the junk. I'm going to rinse this. This was the bottom, but I had this and that and dumped all that water into there, and then I got that out. So I'll still put that into here once I'm done rinsing this. Or actually, I'm probably going to just test that over there because just to see if it's worth it. But see the amount of material in here? It's quite a bit. Now it's all about if it was in a gold line or not. You just never know, and that wasn't that hard. It only took me about, I don't know, 5 minutes, 10 minutes to get that all done. Now what I'm going to do is rinse it out. I'll get it down to the next stage, so stay tuned. Alright guys, there you go. It's all cleaned out for the most part. I can do it again and again. But what I'm going to probably do is just run this in 2 pans because there's so much light material. So I'll just run 2 pans, split it in half. Obviously, if you weren't too good, you could do it in 3, if you're new at it. But I'm just so anxious to see what's in here, so stay tuned. Okay, well, this is too cool. So I do know that this thing was laying in the gold line because this is my very first pan, and I didn't do very much because I just thought about it. But look at the amount of gold that is in this first pan. And that's all the fine stuff, but I took this stuff right off the top. I know that's not very good lighting. So this could get very interesting. I still have that much to run, and I washed it so good that I know the bigger stuff's on bottom. And there was literally, look at all, I hope you can see it. Unbelievable. There it is. So stay tuned. Alright guys, here's pan number 1. Now that's some small stuff, but like I said, this is off the top. So look how many colors are in there. Safe to say it was dead on the gold line, so there could be something good. I should have ran this through my little machine, but it's more fun like this, I guess. If I ran it through my machine, it'd be done. This is more suspenseful. All right, here's pan number 2. It's Still lots of finds, but still lots and lots of colors. I don't even know how many are in there. Still some over here, but just doing it kind of quick. I'll redo it, but this is fun. And the next pan, once again, just full of it. All right, and another pan of some fine gold. Boy, it's going to be a crazy pan when it's all done. All this, I mean, even if there ain't no big pieces, all these small pieces, I mean, that's one heck of a pan. We'll go for another one. That's good enough for now. Just gonna squirt it all over there. And just start soaking it up. I like to clear out that. When you're working with this fine of gold, a lot of times it'll blow back out because it just doesn't settle. Man, this gold is almost smaller than the beach gold though. It's crazy. See there how it spit back out? I know it's hard to see in the water, but it's all I can do. I gotta have the water here. Darn it. Pretty good. All right, let's see what we got in the snuffer. Just put my thumb on it. I know there's still more in there. Hold on. Not a whole lot. I like to rinse that thing off. Yeah, this stuff looks like my beach gold. It's even smaller. All right, you got to give me a minute. All right, that was kind of hard to do with one hand there, but look, it wasn't near as good as I thought. I was going to get bigger pieces, but man, what a buttload of finds, huh? Look at them. There's so many of them. But oh well, maybe my next one will have a nugget in it. You know, we went from that. So, you know, shows you that gold's in a lot of places. Now I am excited to show you guys this. I found that down there hanging in a tree, and it's got stuff in it. So I'm gonna do a video on boot gold next. Just not today, I don't got time.